Hello, my name is Savannah Simpson in SPTE 274, and I'm going to show you how to insert and add elements to a chart in Excel 2016. First, we have our data here, Premier Movie Source, April 2019 data. We are going to have to select our movie source data, so we can click the genre and drag it all the way to the end of week 4. We don't want to select the category totals or the percentage of the month because that will throw off the chart. We just want week 1, 2, 3, and 4 in our chart. So that is what we'll select. Then we'll go from the home page to insert. We will click recommended charts. And when that loads, it will show us different charts that the computer system of Excel would recommend. We have the clustered bar chart, which shows a bunch of different ones from the side, which can be very helpful, but it starts from week 4 at the top instead of week 1. We have the stacked bar, and this shows across the way on the genres on the value axis and the weeks on the category axis. I'm more of a fan of having the weeks on the category axis and the actual values on the value axis, so I'm going to go with the clustered column chart. So once you have the chart that you'd like, which we can check out more because they have plenty of others, but we're just going to go with the clustered column chart. You click OK, and once your chart is on the Excel sheet, then you can drag it to wherever you'd like you to drag it to, or what I like to do is to move it to a different data sheet. So I would click a new sheet, and then I can title it whatever I'd like to title it. So let's say we want to call it Movie Statistics. So then it will create its own new page, new sheet from this data sheet that's up here. This data sheet turned into this movie statistics sheet. You can then change the title to Movie Statistics. And then here's the fun part. I'm sure you'll like this because it's the easy part. There's these elements that you can add. So if you want to take away an axis, you can take it away, add it back. If you want your legend to be there or to be somewhere different, you can move it around. So I'm going to put my legend, it kind of did it for me just then, but it was on the bottom. I'm going to move it to the right because it doesn't really matter where it is, but it's kind of more prominent and easier to notice if it is right here. So I'm putting it on the right. And then I'm going to click the style and color. So they have a bunch of different possible styles that you can choose from. But this one looks kind of cool, but it's kind of confusing looking. That one looks cool as well, but it doesn't show the actual statistics as well. But this one looks cool and shows the statistics as well and has a little bit of drop shadow behind these. So I'm going to go with style number 8. And then you can go over to the color. So if you would like to do more of a monochromatic color scheme, then you can click one of these. So let's say I'll go with blue. This is color number 12, so it starts with the lighter and goes to the darker colors. So I'm going to click number 12, and then we'll have those colors and styles selected. So now if I wanted to just see, let's say we wanted to compare values of week 1 and 2. So we would select, you can select all and unselect all. I'm going to select week 1, week 2 of all of the categories. I'm going to then press apply, and that will show me just week 1 and week 2 of all the action, comedy, drama, horror, sci-fi, others. So that's just to show you how to do that, but I'm going to go ahead and add those back, press apply, and then unclick this. And that is how you create and insert a chart, add elements, and do all of those nice things in Excel 2016. Thank you for listening.